I bring you update to my correct people. You know say based on this cholera matter, the NCDC don place we country Nigeria on high risk and they can activate National Cholera Emergency Operation Center. That na to tell you say the thing e don dey very much serious. The matter e don tie wrapper. No be small koko, my correct people. Now without wasting much of your time, make I give you the details of this informate. The tori be say the Nigeria Center for Disease Control wey be NCDC, they don activate National Cholera Emergency Operation Center. And the NCDC they make this declaration after sabi people on matter wey concern cholera don do one ogbonge risk assessment on the cholera situation for inside the country Nigeria inside last week. The center now dey yarn say based on the assessment, na make dem come activate the National Cholera Multi-Sectoral Emergency Operations Center wey be EOC for the FCT wey be Federal Capital Territory and all the states wey dey for inside the country Nigeria. And this decision to activate the cholera emergency centers, the NCDC say na to show the gravity of the outbreak and to reduce the impact of the disease. Now the work of the EOC na to give support for the states where the disease dey worry, to make sure say dem send them the necessary resources wey they go need, and that one include surveillance plus diagnostics plus capacity and capabilities plus training and intensify public awareness and community engagement activities. No be small matter, my correct people. But before the NCDC now activate the EOC, he say they will already first do some groundworks like distribution of medical supplies for case management plus infection prevention and control plus laboratory diagnosis for all the states them. And all this one then do am through the National Cholera Technical Warming Group. They be don provide off-site and on-site support to states like Lagos and Ogun State, where they don report some of the biggest numbers. Even now sef, they dey yarn say they dey do training for laboratory scientists on how to collect and analyze samples. Now training dey also dey go on for community mobilizers on cholera key messages them. They don also do distribution of jingles, flyers and posters them wey contain key messages on cholera prevention to all states and the Federal Capital Territory. Now sharply, my correct people, make I give us these details of this cholera outbreak for inside the country Nigeria. You know say cholera na common and seasonal disease for inside the country Nigeria. E dey occur every year, mostly during the rainy season for areas with poor sanitation. Now the tori be say the first series of cholera outbreaks for inside the country Nigeria e happen between 1970 and 1990, and major epidemics e also occur for inside 1992, 1995 to 1996 and 1997. Between January and October for inside the year 2010, the Federal Ministry of Health bin report 37,289 cases and 1,434 people die on top the matter, while for inside the year 2011 na total of 22,797 cases of cholera with 728 people wey die on top the matter, and e get case fatality rates of 3.2% wey dey bin record that time. Then the NCDC can also bin record 42,466 suspected cases, including 830 people wey die from 20 out of the 36 states from the beginning of 2018 to October 2018. So this cholera matter no be small one o. It dey very very serious. And make I yarn on how to avoid cholera. You know say no matter how the disease dangerous reach, I wan yarn you the things wey you fit do wey go help you to avoid to fall sick if you dey travel to areas where cholera dey. Number one thing wey you gats do na to wash your hands with soap and water on a regular basis, especially after you go toilet and before you prepare food wey you go chow. Number two, only drink clean water. Now if you know say that bottle water wey you dey drink you no trust am, stop to dey drink am, and your tap water be sure say you boil am before you drink. Number three thing wey you gats do na to brush your mouth, as in wash your mouth with clean water too. Make sure say you dey boil your water to make sure say you don remove all the yama wey dey inside. Now the things wey you no suppose do: number one, no eat uncooked fruits and vegetables, including salad wey you no wash with better water wey clean and wey you no prepare yourself, comot body. Number two, no eat seafood. And number three, no use ice for your drinks. E get why, abeg. Now sharparly make I yarn you the treatment for cholera. Know say the main treatment for cholera na to drink plenty of fluids, including rehydration solution. The rehydration solution na powder wey go dey mixed with water to replace salt, sugar and minerals wey your body don lose through diarrhea. Normally, if you waka enter any pharmacy, they go get things like that. And if you dey very sick, abeg, you go need take treatment for inside hospital where they go treat you with fluids through a vein, antibiotics. So that's my correct people, na the things and things about cholera. I don give you the history about cholera. I don give you how to avoid am. I don give you how to treat am. I don give you the things and things not to do about this cholera. Abeg, make we take am serious, because this disease, omo, e no friendly o. Disease no be anybody friend. Na something we say e dey come to destroy. So make we try take am serious. Just be like COVID-19. Everybody be think say na play something until e begin dey travel the whole of the world. COVID-19 come get visa wey some people never get for inside the country Nigeria. E come dey kpai people globally. So abeg, make we try take this matter serious. And if we check am properly, you go see am say everything boils down to our personal hygiene. How we take dey keep our environment clean. Na why I dey talk say make we dey sanitize our area. Make we make sure say everywhere now e dey conducive, everywhere dey nice. Because you see these diseases, no be for clean place dem dey go relax o. Na for place wey dey dirty, wey be say if you look am, you go say tufiakwa. Na those kind place wey dem dey go relax. You understand? But you now wey dey for clean environment, you guys dey very much careful too, because e go dey very shameful say after you don keep your environment clean, after you don tidy your house finish, keep am nice, you can't go outside, can't go carry the disease, you can't carry am come house, can't share and give your family, share and give your wife or your husband, your children or your siblings, your mama or your papa. Those kind of levels, it no make sense at all. So make we dey very careful, make we no lose guard. My correct people, this na the information wey I say make I pass give all of una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV. Now they give the ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like that, make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, then you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp. And I beg make you know the stingy with the news. Try to share with your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside this our country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.